10 tips to make yourself happy. It may seem like little wisdom, but has been scientifically researched. You can learn to be happy. And because we wish you all the happiness in the world, we ask you to take up the challenge of spending 10 days looking for what makes you happy. Question: what rating do you rate your happiness at the moment?
Maybe a little weird to rate our happiness.
Certainly, at the start of this happiness challenge, which aims to increase your happiness by a few points, so that by the end you have turned into a happier version of yourself. So, without any delay, let's get started. The 10 Days Happiness Challenge. Number 1. Have a chat. It doesn't even have to go deep. Just a short friendly chat is fine. The more you do, the more skillful you become.
Number 2. What went well? Before going to sleep, write down 3 things that went well, that made you happy. Just something beautiful that caught your eye is also allowed.
Number 3. Do something different. Something new should be done outside of our daily routine. Trying new things, especially things that we once were afraid of trying, helps us step outside our comfort zone. Once outside our comfort zone, we have the ability to feel, see, and recognize opportunities. Number 4. Spiritual growth. Spiritual growth is synonymous with being happier. You can go through bad things and get sick, but you will still be happier. Number 5. Make yourself comfortable.
Think of one habit today that is good for you and easy to implement.
Eating healthier, for example. Number 6. Let yourself be surprised.
Go for coincidence in your life. Something different than you expect is happening and that keeps you awake and alert.
Number 7.
Say yes. Yes, if someone asks you to do something that you don't really dare, say yes to all positive energies.
Number 8.
Say no. Make a commitment to say no once every day to something that you know is not good for you.
Number 9. Enjoy. Enjoy everything new that you don't know yet. If it enriches your life, it's human happiness. Number 10. Do something with your anger. If you have anger, think before you speak. Once you are calm, express your anger. That's all for today. If you have any idea to be happy, then comment below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.